monkeys. At home in the trees, a rainforest is a warm, wet place. Many plants and animals live in the thick woods. Golden lion, Tamar monkey. You know, I was born in the monkey New Year. Monkeys live in the rainforest of Central and South America. They spend most of their time in the trees. You know, persons were monkey a long time ago. Monkey use their long arm to climb through trees. Strong tail also help them hold on to branches, making some noises. The howler monkey is one of the loudest animals on earth. A bone in the monkey throat helps the animal make a noisy call. In the morning, these monkeys howl before they eat. At night, they howl before they go to sleep. A group of howler monkeys can be heard miles away. The monkey also makes noises when predators are near. Predators kill other animals for food. A baby howler monkey rides on its mother's body to stay safe. Do you remember that book that I read to you before? It was about howler monkeys hanging around. The spider monkey live high in the treetop. The top of most trees make up rainforest canopy. When this monkey hangs from this long tail, it looks like a spider. I never heard of a spider monkey before. And it do look a little like a spider. A spider monkey has long, thin arms. The monkey uses its arm and tail to swing quickly from tree to tree. A strong tail comes in handy at mealtime. The spider monkey uses its tail to hang from branches. Its hands are free to grab fruit, flower, and nuts to eat. The